Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for multiple developmental works worth more than 3,400 crore rupees in Surat today. The Union Cabinet has extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme for another 3 months from October to December this year. After declaring the Popular Front of India and its associates and affiliates as an unlawful association, the centre has directed the states and union territories to exercise powers of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 against them. The government has appointed Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan retired as the next Chief of Defence Staff (CDS). Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 36th National Games at a grand opening ceremony to be held at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad.